What's going on, y'all? What is up? It's your boy Big Bear, the bear in the house. How is everybody out there doing today? You guys already know it's my Friday, yay, in the house. Real, raw, and uncut. Well, it's been a while since I've done a regular full video for you guys because I've been focusing on live streaming on Twitch and also Kick.com, and I keep expressing to you guys to come on over there, look me up, Big Bear the Bear, you'll find me, and come over there and have a good time with me live streaming, talking along with everybody that loves to watch the channel. But we ain't talking about that right now. We're talking about the new Astros right there, the A10s, real raw and uncut by Logitech, and it just dawned on me why these look pretty much different, because these ones are specially made by Logitech. I don't know, I gotta go back and see if all their other headsets is made by Logitech, because I'm an Astro fan for like many years, but these are the Gen 2's A10s, and I have a lot of headphones, but when I be playing my games and live streaming and stuff, I like to, you know, change up stuff and have a different, you know, pair of headsets. Like I'm changing my drawers, like I'm changing my shoes, like I'm changing my clothes out there, real raw and uncut. But yeah, let me know in the comments how everybody's been doing, you know what I'm saying, lately throughout their lives, what games they've been playing. And like I said, y'all, make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see any more videos. Let's open it up and see what we got going on in these A10 Gen 2 headsets right there. We're all uncut. As you guys already know, this is a cool little sticker that I never seen that Astro does. And like I said, Astro is basically my #1 top headsets to use. Let's see what we got going on up in this package though. Oh my gosh, they look pretty nice, but I think do I got the right color? Because these look a little bit of grayish purple or something like that, but I'm going to keep them though, because, you know what I'm saying, it's good to have a different type of color. But yeah, here they go right there, real raw and uncut, as you guys already know. Let me take it out the box, you know what I'm saying, because I hate when my camera be going all dark and everything and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm loving the great padding right here. The padding looks very cool, as you guys already know. And as you guys already know, they're very flexible and flimsy. I'm loving the way everything seems so compact in, like really closed in, like really short for your head right there, real raw and uncut. So if you got a big old head, I don't think these headsets are gonna fit. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit though. But okay, so I see the difference between these ones. These look like it has a mute to mic right there, as you guys can see. I'm pretty sure also it's got a cord in there. So let me put it on and show you guys. As you guys already know, okay, I'm liking these because, okay, so I'm trying to see if these are actually noise canceling, because when I put them on, I can't really hear any noise outside these headphones as well. I can hear everything, you know what I'm saying. The tightness around my head is gonna have all the gaming just all up in my head, all the sound, the blasting, you know what I'm saying, real raw and uncut, as you guys already know. Let me know in the video if they look so much good. And for a good pair of $60 headsets, gaming headsets, the A10 Gen 2s, they look about pretty nice. So as you guys can see, so let's see what else we got in this box. I'm pretty sure we have the cord. Okay, cool. We got a couple of cords right there, real raw and uncut, and it also comes with I believe this cord is called a splitter, I guess, to go live and chat with your friends or something like that. But I have to see what it is, real raw and uncut. So I don't basically need that, but you never know. So this is all what comes in the box. That's all you get. You get the little directions right there of how to use these headsets as well. But yeah, thank y'all for checking out my unboxing of the Astro A10s right there, Gen 2, and go get you some for $60. Oh yeah, have a great day. Rate, comment, subscribe. Also come over to the Twitch channel and show your boy some love. That's right.